There had been studies for a very long time showing that ketones can, and being in a state of ketosis was associated with less oxidative stress, and we didn't really know why. And now these really cool molecular studies are uncovering why that might be, one of which is because it's able to actually tell our DNA to create these proteins that protect against oxidative stress. That's what increasing the expression of those antioxidant genes means. Ketone metabolism has been shown to support mitochondrial function. I'm sure you've probably heard of mitochondria. If you think back to high school biology, you probably heard the powerhouse of the cell. These are the little organelles that are in every cell of our body that create the energy. And they're very, very important. They're vital to our metabolic health. And ketone metabolism has been shown in many different ways to protect mitochondrial function, protecting them from oxidative stress, oxidative damage, preserving the integrity of the mitochondrial genome, protecting them from free radical stress and mutations that can occur in the mitochondrial DNA, stimulating mitochondrial biogenesis, so creating new mitochondria, increasing the threshold for apoptosis. So the mitochondria actually control whether or not a cell will live or die. This process is called apoptosis. And in certain situations, there have been studies showing that ketones will raise the threshold for mitochondria to induce apoptosis, allowing neurons to survive a chemical insult that otherwise they would not survive when ketones are not present. Okay? This research is really, really cool. And it's picking apart all these reasons why there's so much interest happening right now, and so much, work being put into these molecules.